What's going on, everyone? So I want to give you guys a little update what's going on with the Trailblazer SS project. Check this out. I got the LSA on top of the engine just because it's not cinched down, but it's just sitting on top because I had to see what it looks like, and it's looking pretty nice. All right, now I got the CNC ported LS3 heads. They're on, along with the American Racing headers and the Brian Tooley cam. That's in. So I just had to see what the LSA is going to look like on there. Make sure I have enough clearance, which I do, by the way. I'm excited. We still got a ways to go, but I just want to give you guys a little glimpse of what's going on here because I really appreciate all the questions and all the comments and the interest in this. So I'm gonna get back on this, do some more work to it so I can hurry up and get this thing done. So it's always be easy, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. Take care.